Lily, wait. I'm sorry. I was an idiot. Please don't go. I need you.
Maybe I don't need you.
I know you don't. But look at me. Standing here in the pouring rain. And I'm going to keep standing here until the end of time. Because I can't go another step without you. Please.
No. You're insufferable. You're arrogant, you speak without thinking, and you're too tall.
I know. I love you too. I love you. I love you, 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 I love you.
Cut. Okay, 5 minutes and then we're gonna go again.
It's nice working with you again, Lily. Sorry about all the tongue.
Yep.
Do you wanna go out and grab
No, thanks.
some food?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. I didn't either. I was just testing you. I was just making sure.
Okay, well, no, I don't.
Well, we're on the same page. I hate food.